That is things found in the room. Bed, ekwa, yele, ukbe. Light, urukbe. Fan, ujoja. Cloth, iwu. If it is one, ewu. Trouser, itawole. Slippers or shoes, isobato. Box, ekbetiama. Mirror, ugegbe. Wardrobe, idolo. Cupboard as well is also called idolo. Belt, umwaya. Lantern, urukbabo. Bedspread, amoekwa. Mat, ojiko. Yele, ele. Pillow, ochiori. Pillowcase, amwa ochiori. Phone, ikolosha. Bag, ekpo. Cream, oli. Medicine, umu. Earring, elawoero. Necklace, elaokole. Do you know any other things? Do you have any other things that you find in the room that you don't know its name in Urhobo? Put in the comment section. When I have it like up to some numbers, I'll create another video like this to share it with you. Wado, bye bye yo.